Hello, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this phrase of French origin, often referred to as simply TDP. It translates from French as twisting of peaks. This is a specific type of abnormal heart rhythm that can lead to sudden cardiac death. How to go about pronouncing it? In French, in France, we would say Torsades de Pointes. The S's in French would be silent. However, in English, the S to points is often pronounced. For some reason, Torsades de Pointes. Torsades de Pointes. But if you want to be a little closer to the French pronunciation, Torsades de Pointes. Torsades de Pointes. Torsades de Pointes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce English words and expressions whose pronunciations aren't always exactly quite obvious, including from French. See you there.